how's it going? It is officially winter here in Canada, and this is our first snowfall, or should I rather say snowstorm here in Saskatoon. If this is your first time here, hey my name is Kimmy, and welcome to my channel. And if you have been here before, welcome back, and thank you for checking in again. It snowed all day on Tuesday, but we had sunshine the next day, and the snow clear up on our apartment was super quick. And since it's cuddle season, it's the best time for some hot pot.
Ooh.
Ooh, it smells so good.
This is the menu here. Their lunch combo is $22 per person, which includes the self-service buffet assortment and meats. The large hot pot soup is $9 to $10, and the small pot is $4. Happy Lamb is easily one of our top favorites now here in Saskatoon. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung mga hot pot sa Pinas. Well, sa totoo lang, yung mga restaurants dito and yung mga food options, meron pa rin talaga na mas masarap sa Pinas na mga nakainan namin. Except for steaks, of course. But, nonetheless, madami naman masarap kainan dito.
This is the mushroom though.
No, this is the mushroom.
Okay.
And pag uwi namin, we already have this mountain of snow. Na-clear na nila yung daanan papasok ng apartment. And si Bri, syempre, favorite niya, maglaro sa snow. Nagpaiwan pa siya sa labas para lang maglaro sa snow kahit mag-isa lang siya. Saturday, we went out and watched Hello Love again. Parang gusto ko ulit bumalik ng Banff after manood. Ang galing lang ng pagkakatahin ng story from Hello Love, Goodbye to Love Again. And winner pa din talaga yung character ni Joros. Anyway, ito na naman kami ulit with the snowstorm. Overcast na yung weather this day, and there was really a snowstorm forecast. Pero nanood pa rin kami ng movie. Snow ka lang. Magdi-date pa din kami. Ganun yung peg namin. Charot. Pero yun na nga. Before we went in, okay pa yung weather. But when we went out from the movies, ito na. Ito na yung snowfall. Hindi lang masyado kita dito sa video, but the snowfall was continuous. Kaya ang kapal na kagad ng snow. Bri and Kaylee are with their cousins. Iniwan muna namin sila with my sister-in-law habang nag-date muna ang kanilang mga parentals.
You okay? Okay?
yung audio ko dito. Kasi nag-connect na yung phone ko sa car, so voice over na lang ulit. I went to the dentist this day to have my wisdom teeth extracted. Isang upper and lower yung in-extract. Si Brian muna naiwan kay Kaylee. I fed her before I headed out and pag uwi ko, sakto kagigising lang ulit ni Kaylee. I was just out of the house for an hour and a half. I was not able to video the roads, pero grabe ang taas ng snow. May mga nadaanan pa ako na sedan na buried in snow pa din. And very off-road ang inner streets. Pero okay naman, nalinis naman agad ng city yung main roads after the second snowstorm. And here I am after the extraction. Yung lower right side ng face ko, yung right side ng lips ko, hindi gumagalaw because of the anesthesia. Hindi rin ako masyado makapagsalita because of it. So, yeah, soft diet din muna si ate girl ninyo until I don't know when. Until now that I am filming this video or I'm doing this voiceover and I'm posting this video, hindi pa din ako kain ng normal. I also went home with a goodie bag which has the care instructions, which they also sent it through email, and then packs of sterile gauze and an ice pack. And that afternoon, or that night, we also had a quick trip to Costco for a few stuff and to gas up na din. I'll be sharing with you a simple but better than your restaurant mashed potato. No kidding, this is the best mashed potato. You just need a bunch of potatoes, peeled and sliced. You have to boil them in chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can also boil your potatoes in salted water. Although, I think it's the chicken stock that makes this recipe the best. Well, at least for me and my family. Anyway, once potatoes are fork tender, drain the liquid and add 2 sticks of butter and start mashing. Then gradually add heavy whipping cream, about half a cup or depending on your preference. Then continue to mash again until your desired mashed potato texture. For a finer mash and easier mashing, you can use your mixer, but we prefer our mashed potatoes with tiny bits of potato, just for added texture. And there you have it. This is the best mashed potato for our family, at least. You can add pepper or herbs if you like, or even bacon bits, or whatever protein you like. Just add gravy, and then you are ready to serve. Promise, this is really good. And it's just this simple.
Look at this. That's food. Well, mashed potatoes. These mashed potatoes are so good. I could eat them all day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I could eat it every day, any day. Better than some fancy smanchy mashed potato. I mean, like restaurant food, I guess. 10 out of 10. I will devour this whole thing.
Kaylee bear. Let's go. edge of Saskatoon. You go. Whee! Hi everybody! Hi everybody! Say hi! 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 I was watching the cars, oh! I didn't get that! She's watching the cars on the highway! Hi! Say hi! 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 Hi everybody! Let's go down now. Oh, it's so steep.
And I'm going backwards.
It's so steep. Last one and then we're going
Yeah, I'm
back
gonna
down.
go backwards.
Okay. Auntie Bree's going backwards. Oh my god. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys stay safe, stay happy, and always choose to be kind. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!